Hello guys, how are you today? I am Zubair from Zubi Tech World, bringing you another exciting video. Well guys, today let's discuss some of the tips and tricks of the Infinix Note 5. Use them in your daily lifestyle. It will definitely help you. So without any further ado, let's go. Well guys, the first tip I'm going to tell you about the Infinix Note 5. Well, obviously the fingerprint scanner is situated on the very good location without any interference, without any movement of your thumb in the front. It's situated on the back side, so it's a very great position. So you can do some tweaks in the fingerprint scanner area. So I'm going to show you what that is. Basically, when you open your Infinix Note 5 from your index finger, just press it for 5 more seconds and you have your Google Assistant ready. Without any hassle, without any other keys to press, you are getting your Google Assistant on the go. Let's quickly do that again. Pressing your index finger for about 5 seconds, it displays your Google Assistant. So a very handy, a very nice feature. Okay guys, the second tip I'm going to show you, the second tip is the screenshot. If you are in a hurry, you're playing game, you need your screenshot on the go, just press your 3 fingers at once in the screen area, you are getting your screenshot. Let's do that again. And in a jiffy, you are getting your screenshot. This comes very handy in your on-the-go screenshots. Playing a game or a video, in your calls, to trace a number, everything in a jiffy, your 3 fingers and your screenshot. A very nice feature. So the third tip I'm going to share with you guys is the application that is the USB OTG checker. This is the application that tells you that your Android phone, that is the Infinix Note 5, the Android One phone, is compatible of the OTG or not. Use this application guys in your other smartphones to check that out. So the USB OTG cable is enabled in this Infinix Note 5. Tip I'm going to share with you guys is about the camera. When you're using your Infinix Note 5's camera, you basically are getting no filters in the contrast or the high dynamic range. You're getting a simple shot in your viewfinder. So to enhance your pictures, to give it a more colorful look, simply you have to go to your color modes and select any of the 9 color modes that you like. The 2 modes that I like are the movie and the gorgeous one. The gorgeous one is equal to the vivid mode that is on the Samsung Galaxy cell phones. If you're clicking on the gorgeous, it clearly gives you the enhanced colorful look. So the pictures are more brightened. The pictures have more color in it, the more contrast in it. You're getting good pictures of your cell phone. So a nice feature. Use it. One drawback of this feature that you have no option to cancel your color mode. You just have to close your application and again open and it vanishes. So this is one drawback of the color mode. Okay, putting that aside, the other feature of this Infinix Note 5 are simple tweaks that you can use in your daily lifestyle. Now this is the split screen mode, a very handy mode in the Infinix Note 5. Using your YouTube videos, some applications are supported in the split screen and some are not. Let's suppose I open a video that I want to use in my split screen mode, and your applications are open in your split screen mode, and the split screen mode has some options as well. You can check the amount of screen in the split screen mode, which application, which screen do you want the most space to be used. that depends upon you. So basically, the applications, some of the applications are supported and some are not. Let's say I play a game, the application of the YouTube just stops and the application of the games has opened. So there are a little bit of compromises in the split screen mode. You can use your music application as well, use the Google Chrome browser as well. So it's a very handy mode. The split screen in the Infinix Note 5, the 6-inch screen comes also very handy in this mode. So okay guys, this was it. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Use it as tips and tricks in your daily lifestyle to benefit from it. So I will be leaving now guys. I will see you in my next video. This is Zubair from Zubi Tech World. Do subscribe guys, do hit the bell icon and like my videos. Till then, see you in my next video. Zubair Ahmed signing off. Salam.